Good afternoon. Welcome to Option Center. Just want to do a quick update for you YouTube members and check out the market for 2 minutes here. Take up not too much of your time. So let's go. If you're new here, go down to the bottom right hand corner, hit that Option Center logo and subscribe. We have ES on multiple time frames. We're going to start off with the monthly. We had that big bearish engulfing candle, but we actually recovered the 8 EMA, so that's actually positive news, but it's still considered engulfing. So we have to see what type of follow through to the downside or upside from this candle to confirm or negate this this big red candle here. We have not quite crossed over on the MACD for a bearish crossover, so that's bullish in itself. The RSI started to play out, but holding steady in bull territory. Let's go down to the weekly time frame. All right, we had this large wedge that we started to break down from, had some follow through, stopped at that, it actually poked through the 50 period moving average. That's the simple moving average, and found some support down here, and so actually recovered last week and got some follow through. So looking bullish on the lower time frames. Let's see if we can continue to push through. We have a big area here. If you notice the right here where my arrow is, that's where the 20-day simple moving, 20-week simple moving average and the 8 EMA on the weekly is at, coinciding with former resistance. So this could be setting up some sort of, if you have a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, possibility for much lower area to come. So we have to watch out for that and keep an eye. But we do have waning momentum on the MACD. Maybe we'll come down and go down just a little bit more so we can find support back here at the 0 line. We also have the RSI right here at the neutral zone. And going down to the daily, see if we can find anything new on the lower time frame. Daily trend is our friend. So after breaking down these levels, I have this highlighted, this area. That's where that 20 week moving average and the 8 EMA also coinciding, if you look from these two levels, with this 20-day moving average. So I do suspect we'll reach up here a little bit higher, maybe in a day or two, and then we'll really have a test. So I'll kind of lighten up on our positions and see what happens. If we break over the area, we start getting bullish and we have something to put our back against, and then we can start trading higher after that. We start breaking down, then we have to think, is this the head and shoulders we're looking for, or which would also mean this is a wave 4 possibly. That would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to complete the that head and shoulders pattern. And then another situation with this nice tail candle breaking out here. Maybe this is a setup for a 1, 2, and then continue higher for a wave 3 on the bullish end. So we can't predict any of this. We just have to play with the price actions giving us, and so far we're bullish on the lower time frames. Didn't quite get, we're looking for a crossover on the bull cross on the MACD, not quite there yet. And also we're in neutral zone and the RSI. So we're repairing some of this damage that was done here, but we're not out of the woods yet for the bulls, and the bears still have some play left here, possible that we go back down. So on a 65 minute, I'll just show this real quick. We have a lot of lines here, a lot of stuff happening. If this is an ABC correction and we're starting our wave up as a 1, 2, I suppose this should be our target somewhere up here, 46.34, which would bring us over that territory that I was talking about for wave 3. It's typical for us to go to that 1618 of that wave 1. So we'll see how we play here. We're flagging. Perhaps we are just correcting in time, and we'll start moving up higher. We do have the expected move here at about the 45.60 area. So maybe that's what we're tagging, and then we'll start descending to the downside too. So we're pretty neutral on the on the market at this point, but we had some really good plays with the with Roku and Bitto and Nvidia in the past few days. So let's lighten up on our trades and see what happens coming up soon. All right, thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Have a great day.